What's going on, guys? So today will be the last time that the 300ZX is that color and not all one color. White, for anyone that has missed any of the previous videos, white is the color we're going with on that car. But now it's pretty much time to clean up this garage that I've been painting in and busy working in, and it's been crazy. Like I said, there's so much stuff everywhere, mostly on this side because this is where the car goes. I gotta go get a broom so I can sweep it all out, and then I'm gonna lay down all the stuff on the ground and then hopefully hang plastic everywhere. And the goal is to get all of that done and start washing the car. I'll wash the whole car down today, but it will be in this video. The whole process will be, because, you know, yeah, that's how YouTube works. You get to see everything super fast while it takes me like hours. So yeah, drop a comment for me, because this always takes so much longer than what you guys see. You guys see like a few minutes. Took me a couple days to finish. But the plan is to get it all cleaned up and primed in this video, and then the paint process will be in the next video, hopefully a few days from when you see this. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and go hit that like button, because we're getting this shit painted, we're getting this shit done. You already know. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the booth completely done. It's actually the next day. The car is outside for hopefully the last time until it's completely painted. Right now, I am working on doing all the rivets. I'm doing riv nuts just because that's going to be the best thing for this car, so I can take it on and off. The wide body kit, sorry. This is what they look like. Let's get down here, show you. That's the one that's actually staying. That was one I messed up on. I was just kind of testing it out and seeing, you know, how to do it and everything. So I'm gonna finish these up, and then it's gonna be time to go ahead and bring the car in and clean it and make sure it's all good, and then go ahead and spray some primer and paint it. That won't be in this video, or the primer will probably be in this video, but the paint part will not. It's gonna be in the next video. But the day that I'm gonna paint it, hopefully, I really hope so, is going to be Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. I have that day off from work, so I'm hoping I can knock it out that day. But we're just gonna have to, yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see. Let's get to all this drilling and getting these rivets in, and then bring her in and clean it, and then primer. Okay guys, so it's finally happening. The car is getting primed. It is all ready for primer. And I've actually already hit it with primer a little bit earlier just because I was just testing it out, seeing how it looked. And I'll show you guys what it's looking like so far. You know, just a little bit of primer I put on. It's crazy that this thing is all gonna be one color. Holy shit. But yeah, so now I'm gonna set up a time lapse and basically prime this whole car, and yeah.
Yo, what's up guys? I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I got you on my head, so yeah, hopefully this isn't too cringy for all the paint guys. But this is what we got going so far. Not looking too bad in my opinion. Obviously it's not perfect, it's from a can, but for my first time I'm definitely pretty impressed. I really don't know if you can see this or not, but let's get painting, boys. Let's go.
Alright guys, so I'm not sure how good that footage is, but hopefully it was good. For all the people that paint, how cringy that was, I'm sorry. Just trying my best, first time doing this. This is what the car looks like right now, all primed. Probably gonna come through and hit it again with some more primer just to like level everything out and get it all nice and good. But I think I'm going to end the video off right here. Thank you so much for all the love and support. And for everybody that hates what I'm doing, I'm sorry. This is just something that I've always wanted to do or to try. And I'm happy with how it came out, honestly. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Go cop some Chills merch or Z Gang merch. It'll be like up here somewhere, and the link will be in my description. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button. The Z's getting painted, boys. Let's go.